Let's see some of the features that you must know if you're using this iPhone 17. If you're using this device, let me know in the comments your experience with this one. So let's get started. First one is custom ringtone. Yes, now we can set custom ringtones of your choice, provided the clip is under 30 seconds. For that, what do you have to do? Simply download the MP3 and then click on it here. There we have this option and swipe up. Here we get this option, set or use as ringtone. Okay, click here, you're done. Okay, so you can select your ringtones here. Yeah, so it's simple, but the limitation is that the clip must be under 30 seconds. Next one is how to take higher quality images using resolution control in your camera app. By default, this feature is not turned on. What you have to do is simply go to settings. Okay, settings, there we have this camera here, and there formats. There we have this option resolution control. If you turn this on, now we have this option under camera here. Okay, so you can select 48 megapixel to take better photos. Yeah, obviously it will take more space. Next tip is related to battery. Yes, with iPhone 17, the battery performance, it has improved a bit, but if you are a sort of heavy user, then you will see that it is not enough. But yes, we have this option. If you go to battery, okay, here, there we have this option power mode. Okay, simply turn this on, adaptive power, and it will automatically, the system will automatically adjust the brightness and other tasks in the background to give you better battery, screen on time if you're in need. Okay, so it will improve the battery performance to some extent, not significantly. The last feature that I'm sharing can be really useful if you want to avoid unknown callers. For that, what I have to do, simply go to settings, then apps, then search phone app here, and there we have this new feature called ask reason for calling. If you turn this on, what happens if someone is calling you and you have not got that number, then it will ask the reason for calls. Okay, and you'll get a pop-up here on the screen based on the answers that the person has provided. Okay, and if you accept that, then you'll get a call from that person. So this can be useful if you want to avoid unknown callers. So that's it in this video, guys. I've been using this iPhone 17. I found it really good actually, particularly the cameras. The video recording is really good. So what is your opinion about this? Let me in the comments, and if you end up liking my videos, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. So cheers, guys.